Yeah, that looks pretty good. So here we have the 56 Vicky straight axle frame going into play. So we're going to be putting that up underneath the car. We've got some big tires that go in the back. We're going to have to cut the wheel wells out. So we're going to put the frame under, see just how it's sitting, and see what I need to cut for sheet metal at the quarter panel. So we've got employees with really cool cars too. So here's a
99 Dakota RT,
okay.
5.9 360 in it. Automatic transmission, which I want to change out to a sequential gearbox.
Awesome.
I want to put Dodge Viper rims and tires on it, 13.5s in the rear, 10 wides in front.
That's going to be pretty impressive.
Change out the headlights to a custom setup. Get rid of the halos, and I just don't like them.
So these are aftermarket headlights, and you want to change into something that's a little more your style.
Yeah.
I got you. And the front spoiler and the grill, that's all staying. The hood.
The hood's staying, the front bumper's staying, the grill's going. I don't like the grill.
So he doesn't like the grill, so we're going to change that. See, it's infectious. Everybody's got to do some kind of custom work to personalize their car, so even the employees get in on it. We've got a couple of body mounts or outriggers we're going to have to make sure we clear. Yeah. We're looking good. Looks good on the front. Good right here. The tire back there look good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss my outriggers up here. I'm looking good.
I'm looking good back here. How are you over there, Harvey? Good. Keep going?
So keep going.
Hold on.
Hold on.
All right, get out.
Keep going. All right, what are we hitting? We're not hitting. Come on down.
Hold on. We're heading. Spare tire well.
So the tire's too wide?
No, spare tire well.
Spare tire well, because we have added a cross member, right? Okay. Alright, so this is German. He's interning from HCC to be a body man. He's really good at it. And he's got a car too. And tell us about your car.
So I have a 2001 Honda S2000. I bought it about almost 2 years now.
Right.
It had some different wheels on it. I got some Advan racing wheels. 18 by 9 in the back, 18 by 8.5 in the front.
That's awesome.
Got a custom.
I like the hood. Yeah, it's got those louvers in the hood. It looks real cool.
I think there's some new headlights, maybe new tail lights, LEDs.
Is a wing factory or is that something?
It's an aftermarket.
It's an aftermarket.
It's made for the S2000.
And what kind of horsepower does an S2000 put down?
I mean, it's a pretty old car, maybe like 210, 220 maybe.
See, that's awesome. Because this thing, what do you think it weighs? 2,300, 2,500?
2,500, yeah.
2,500 pounds.
It's a 6-speed manual. Hopefully put a turbocharger on it.
See? They're all getting in on the action. Hey, it's Lonnie at Lonnie's Hot Rod TV. So we're working on the 66 Impala. It's got the Holley Sniper and the MSD locked out distributor. It's having a problem about 2,000 RPM where it's missing, backfiring, sputtering. So I've done a lot of we've checked the grounds, we've checked the power, we made sure it wasn't a mechanical issue. I've changed the cap, rotor. We're currently phasing the rotor. It's got a phasing cap on it, so we're currently phasing that so the Holly can control the timing. So we're still working on it to figure out all the bugs, and hopefully we can get this beast up and running so the customer will be really happy with this fuel injection. Hey, Lonnie's Hot Rod TV. Working on the 56 gasser. We've got our axle where we like it. It's in the middle of the wheel tub. So now we're going to be cutting the fender for the actual tire that's going to go on the gasser. Bring that tire out. So what we've done is we've raised the axle up so the axle center line lines up with the wheel that we're going to be working with. Then we took a pen and we made a line around the tire. This will give us our initial cut. It won't give us the tire travel, we'll figure that out, but we're going to start by where we can mount the wheel and tire onto the axle. Then we'll massage it to get our 3 inches of wheel travel. Obviously we have to have a little bit fore and aft as well, but this is a big moment. We're cutting the fender off. Stay tuned.
Yeah, but I can.
Hey, this is Lonnie's Hot Rod TV. We're checking out the wheel stand, and we figured we didn't have a power plant, so we put a power plant in, and we're going to see how this thing it makes the front end sit. Put your head in there. So here's our engine. Yeah, put some weight on the front end of that car. Hey, Lonnie's Hot Rod TV. So we're frustrated. We've been working on this for a couple of days now. I've been on the phone with MSD. They gave me some tests to do, some wires to check, make sure I don't have any noise interference with the capacity discharge block. I've checked the coil, I've checked the distributor a couple of different times. It's a magnetic distributor. We put it in, we've timed it with the phasing rotor. Our problem keeps getting worse. I put in an HEI distributor in the car, thinking, okay, that's going to solve the problem, so at least we don't have the MSD to deal with. The problem's still here. It's missing at 2,000 RPM. I was thinking it was that distributor, but now I'm down to the Holly. So I called up Holly, and I just spent about 41 minutes on the phone with Holly. And let me tell you, they were more helpful than MSD was all the day long. They gave me plenty of things to check, to disconnect the alternator. I could make a data log. They gave me different things that I could do to do some verification, and an email to email them back what I'm doing and how I'm checking everything and the results I'm getting. So I'm very pleased with that, but frustrated, ready to pull the hair out, hook out my eyeballs, but we're all good. We're going to make this happen. Hey, this is Lonnie's Hot Rod TV. This is Mark Cameron. He's our fabricator. He is working on the gasser wheel well right now. So we have cut the opening for the 31-inch tire to go in there. So now we have got an inner fender and an outer fender that he has to reattach the two. Then we'll make a lip that also gives it a nice factory look when it's all said and done. We factored in the 3 inches of wheel travel, and we factored in a good width that the tire won't touch front to back without giving it an egg shape. So it's a nice round opening, and Mark's doing his best to make it look like it came like that.